Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search right here and then click on the search line. Write EDIFIER and click search. Scroll down and you should install this application. Hello. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!